What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are back for another reaction video. So our next one is called Pantropico, but this one I think it's only a performance video. So I don't think they have an official music video yet, but if there is one, please let me know. kasi hindi ako sure. So,
Di kami sure.
Yeah, di kami sure. But, nung sinearch ko siya, this is all I could find. So, this is what we're going to react to today. Ayun. Pantropico performance video by Benny. Ooh, I was gonna say it's Sheena, but... Oh, there's Sheena. Ay, ang cute!
This place though, I wanna go.
Where is this?
Comment saan to, kung alam niyo kung saan yung location ng music video ng video.
Ay, ang ganda!
Gusto ko na bumalik ulit.
Ang ganda! Para silang nasa Maldives. Oh, intro pa lang yun. So cute. I also love this one. I haven't watched a performance video yet though.
I heard si Sheena yung nag-choreograph ng chorus
Oh,
nila.
really?
I saw her TikTok video like choreographing nila.
Giving island vibes. Mukha silang friends ni Moana. Diba? Tingnan mo, look at the outfit and the
Cute.
new to this Benny, fun, ano ba tawag doon?
Fandom.
Yeah.
Blooms. I heard
Blooms
blooms.
ba?
Mm-mm.
Blooms yung mga, like flower.
Mm-mm.
Oh, that's cute. This one has like, 13 million. 13 million views. Oh, that's a lot.
Kasi sa TikTok siya diba?
Yeah. And also, meron siyang, ginawang cover. Yung, kaya mo si Jelly. There are 2 other Filipina K-pop idols. Ngayon. She's so pretty too.
Yeah, I've seen that. Yung...
That's how I first listened to Pantropico sa video nila.
sa kanila.
Yeah. Anyway,
Nakita ko yun. Yeah.
they look good. Which one do you like better? The first one, Salamin or Pantropico?
I vibe with Pantropico.
Same. I like it.
The
I
dance.
also like the other one, but I just
Sa
my favorite is
I like the
Pantropico.
outfit sa salamin.
Yeah. Maybe kapag may music video na yung para fair yung ratings. Okay. Our next one that we're gonna react to is called Na 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 Na. Na Na Na.
Na times 3.
Oh my gosh. Na 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 Na. Na times 3. Oh, tama nga. It's 5 minutes long. 5 minutes long. Okay. I think I only know the chorus of this song.
Same. I don't
But
know.
I
Hindi ko
also
pa
haven't
na-watch
watched. Yeah. Like I said, we're new to this fandom thingy. Sobrang maganda kasi yung to music ng Beanie. So nagkaroon kami ng interest na mag-react. So anyway, let's get to the video. I think this is older. Okay, I'm getting old.
Me too. Ba't kasi sa labas? High school vibes.
Ay! Wait, who's that? She's pretty. Ilang gabi ng puyat sa kakaisip. Ako din.
Sino ba iniisip mo?
Yung bills. The jacket! Yung ano yun? Ito, varsity jacket! Tingnan mo yung jacket ni Ito naman.
Those were the days.
Siguro mga 2010, 2011.
High school, middle school.
Middle school.
Oh my gosh.
Tapos naka-baller pa tayo. Tapos naka-snapback ba tawag doon?
Yes.
Oh my. Chicksers. Hindi nyo kilala yun. Generation namin yun.
Kung may beanie kayo, may chicks.
May chicksers kami. Yeah! She's the rapper pala. Ano daw?
What's she saying?
Pwede ba tayo?
Sa chapel na.
Wait. Pwede ba tayo mag-meet sa chapel after
Hindi ilalagay siya.
after dismissal?
Chapel? Ba't sa chapel?
Papakasal na kayo. Musukwan. Uy! Nag-thumbs up. Ano ba? May flowers. Oh.
Wow, he's dancing.
Nasalo ulit. Sino ba to? I don't know him.
Actor lang.
Oh my, the sun is coming out.
Maginat na po.
She's also pretty.
Okay, vocals.
Ooh, who's that? High note. Either Joanna or ano. Yung may mga high vocalist nila.
Wow.
Aww.
Sana all.
Aya. Aya pala yung name niya.
They're also pretty.
Colette. Yes. Gwen. Joanna. Maloy. At first, akala ko si ano, yung leader nila, si Sheena. Mika. Sheena. But I think she's the youngest.
I think so.
Stacy. Featuring!
Nalaman mo na kung sino.
Sharina. Star Magic.
I don't know all these
Sino
new
to?
people.
And, one TikToker siya. Dale.
Ano yun?
Fan edition.
He's a fan! Feature nila! Kaya paano sumasayaw siya?
Uy, feature niyo din kami. Ay!
Ang cute nun!
I like that!
That's
Oo.
cute! Nakasama siya sa
Sinama nila yung ano, yung fan.
Kaya pala alam niya yung sayaw.
Oo. I-learn namin para sa inyo, Bini.
Siya. Feature niya siya. Sasayaw
Joke lang. Mahihain po ako sa personal.
Beanie stand member. Ano ba sila? 9?
Aya, Joanna Maloy, Sheena, Colette, Gwen, Stacy, Mika. 8?
8 lang. 8 lang ba?
8?
I think
Am I missing somebody?
they're 9.
9? 1, 2, 3,
Ay, 8.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
8.
9?
Wait. 3, 6, 9.
Ay, si Karen namin.
8 lang nga, 8.
8 members.
So, ikaw yung 9th
Okay.
member. Hi guys, it's Angie from Beanie.
Hindi ko ma-imagine. Hindi ko ma-imagine ang aking ano, if I were in their position. I cannot. Okay, guys.
What do you think of Beanie Girl?
Yeah, to all of our K-pop,
Not K-pop.
K-pop ano, yung mga kasi
P-pop.
P-pop pala, sorry. To all P-pop viewers. P-pop viewers, tama ba?
Listeners.
Oh, di ba? Siya,
P-pop fans.
yeah, siya, kaya this is why she's here today because I am lost. I'm lost.
P-pop fans.
Yes. Ano guys? Sasabihin ko, Dayan?
Comment down below and tell us about Beanie because we don't know much about Beanie.
Yeah, like what year sila nag-start? I bet there's anong tawag doon yung mga video na parang sa K-pop.
Ano?
Hindi ko magana utak ko. Basta yon. Yeah.
Send us links too.
Yes. Comment down below kung ano yung mga next reaction video that you guys want to see from us or from me. Yeah. Sorry if I've been away for too long, but here I am. I'm back. Also, happy anniversary, you guys. It's been a year. Thank you for staying tuned with me. But yun lang. Don't forget to follow her on her socials. Yes.
Follow me.
Yeah. Mukha lang siyang shy girl, but she's not.
Check out the gram.
Yes.
Facebook.
Yes. And ako din, guys, check out nyo rin yung other YouTube channel ko nga pala, guys. I'm gonna start uploading vlogs there, especially this summer. So, stay tuned. She will be there too. Kung gusto niyo siyang makita, we're planning to do a lot of, basta yun. Stay tuned.
Subscribe na lang kayo.
Yes, don't forget to subscribe on my new YouTube channel, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button for this channel if you want to see us, and if you want to see more reaction videos. And yeah. Wala. It's your channel, not mine. Don't look at me. Anyway, bye. See you on our next video. Bye.
Wait, salamin na salamin. Pang outro mo. Ano pa?
Mahiwagan sa islang Pantrop. Yeah, we're outside. If you can't tell. So you're gonna hear all of the
Tropico.
diba?
Bye.